150 plus pips on gold, but that's not all. Let me show you guys something else. 1,500 pips on NASDAQ. Everybody in my signal rooms, man, they are just eating, making ridiculous amounts of money, feeding their families. It's amazing. It's been amazing. It's going to continue to be amazing. And if you're not in here, you're 100% missing out, man. It's easy to find, man. Go to my Instagram at MambaFX Trading. Click the link in my bio. Click the signals, man. You guys can get access to these signals. It's been insane. Every trade I take, I'm sending out all that good stuff. But I want to go ahead and break down the gold trade in particular for you guys and show you guys what I saw, what I did, and how I made all this money today. It's a very simple setup. I say that every time because all my setups are so simple. But all I'm looking for is to see, are we going to get volume, and which way are we going to go with the volume during our session? Now, I like to trade gold during New York session. Okay, New York session opens at about 5 a.m., but typically not until about 6:30 do you really get those moves, sometimes even longer. In this instance, what we had, and I'll put this in replay mode to show you guys exactly what I saw, was, well, we had support being found for one. Okay, we found support, which is pretty important, and we can find support in multiple ways. We have support here. Okay, if we go to these majority of these bodies and wicks here, we have support. Overall price is kind of just bouncing off support. The buyers are taking over and sellers are not able to continue to push past these supports. We found our lows. Okay, we did drop very, very strong here. We had bearish moves. Bullish, support, 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 bullish, support, support, and now bullish again. So overall, I believe that price is kind of found support and does not want to break below. The buyers are continuing to push higher. Okay, so with that being said, what I need to find is either a resistance break or a trend line break. And the reason I'm not looking for a support break is because I think we're going to go bullish because of the support that we're already on. What I found here was a trend line. I found a beautiful trend line. It's a bearish trend line, but with bearish trend lines come bullish breakouts. As you guys know, we have a breakout here. Did not take this trade. I wanted to see more. I wanted to make sure that it wasn't a fake out, which it kind of ended up looking like a fake out. Came back and actually, made pretty nice retracements and wicks on the opposite of that trend line from the top, which is even more confluence that price is breaking out and retesting the trend line before going up. Now, take that beautiful Fibonacci tool, and you also see rejections to the 0.5/0618 zone. So two very nice rejections. We're above that trend line break and now retesting the trend line break. And I believe since we're at support, we're pushing to the upside. Lots of confluence, lots of things telling us it's time to go up. Let's go ahead and get in our buy. So again, we took our buy position. We held strong, aiming for 150 pips as usual, and price ended up going pretty fast. We had a little bit of a retracement, a little bit of a slow move, but overall we did get that huge candle to shoot up, hit take profit, major moves. Made a lot of money today. Definitely made a lot of money. A lot of people made a lot of money. It was a really solid trade. One thing I want to mention to you guys, the app is getting a huge update in the next week or so. Huge update. Insane free courses, insane news feeds. I mean, everything's getting upgraded. It's going to be insane. The color scheme is all different. So be on the lookout for that, man. I appreciate you guys for coming back. A lot of good stuff coming. There's a lot of good stuff coming. Just keep that in mind. And I'll see you guys in my next video.